Hello and welcome aboard our exceptional AmaLucia, one of our award-winning 135-meter ships. Welcoming just 156 guests on board, this ship offers our signature twin balcony staterooms and an array of wonderful amenities. Let's take a look inside. You will embark the ship on our violin deck, where you will be greeted at reception by a friendly member of our crew who is always available to answer your questions. This is also the area where you will depart the ship for our included excursions. Just next to the reception desk is our gift shop, where you can purchase souvenirs from your journey. Beyond the gift shop, toward the bow of the ship, is our main lounge and bar. With plenty of seating to accommodate every guest on board, this is a central gathering place for safety briefings, lectures, our daily complimentary sip and sail cocktail hours, and nightly entertainment. Further toward the front of the ship you will find an observation lounge and our alfresco terrace, open for early and late riser breakfasts and light lunches. At the very aft of the violin deck you will find the chef's table specialty restaurant, an intimate venue where you will watch as the chef prepares a multi-course tasting menu. This dining experience is available to every guest once during the cruise with our compliments. Beneath the violin deck is our cello deck, home to the main restaurant where you will enjoy breakfast, lunch and dinners throughout the journey. The lowest level of the ship is our piano deck, where you may work out independently in our fitness room or treat yourself to a soothing massage or haircut in our massage and hair salon. There are also several types of accommodations spread throughout the ship. The top level of AmaLucia is our spacious sun deck, which features a walking track, heated swimming pool, and plenty of seating to enjoy the beautiful views as we cruise along the rivers. Thank you for joining me today for our tour of the beautiful AmaLucia. We hope to welcome you and your loved ones very soon.